How to remove your Facebook account from other devices. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove your Facebook account from other devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you'll need to do is open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, head over on the bottom right corner on the menu section. Tap on your profile, or you can simply tap on the settings on the top. And after you do that, you'll be on your settings and privacy. Tap on your Meta account center. After you tap on it, you can scroll down and there you should see account settings section. Tap on account, password and security. After you do that, you will see different options relating to your password and security. Now before I teach you guys what to do next, if you guys are new to app hacks, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Now let's continue. Now under security checks, you will see where you're logged in. Tap on it and select your account. After you do that, you will see everywhere that you're logged into your account. What you'll need to do is you'll simply need to log out from them. To remove your Facebook account from these devices, you can tap on your device or your any of those devices that you want to log out from, and then tap on logout. After you do that, you will have logged out from your different devices on your Facebook account, and that is how you do it. And that is all for the video too, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.